Alrighty folks, today we got a really nice little 2013 model MACK CHU613 day cab. MPA, 505 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Eaton full of 13-speed trans. Got Mar 22.5 rubber all the way around. Half fenders. Aluminum wheels all the way around. Excuse me folks, chrome ring. Dual exhaust. Sliding fifth wheel. Air ride suspension. 12,000 pound front, 38,000 pound rears. Truck does have a PTO pump and the lines are ran, it just will need a tank. Hydraulic tank has been removed. Nice truck out here folks. Not going to want to miss this one. Motor's clean. Lots of nice chrome and aluminum on this truck folks. Sharp little MACK day cab. In this truck, you can come check it out here on our yard at 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. We sure appreciate y'all watching our video, and we look forward to you coming to see us.